Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Walmart affiliate program account step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Walmart affiliate program account. Visit the Walmart affiliates homepage and enter your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. Look for the profile or account information section. Click on it to access your current account details. Review the existing information, such as your name, email address, and payment methods. To make changes, simply click the Edit button next to the relevant section. Update your information as needed. When you're done, ensure all details are correct. Scroll down to find the Save Changes button. Click it to apply your updates. Next, check the payment options under your account settings. Ensure that your payment method is current and accurate. If you need to change it, select the payment method you prefer. Follow the on-screen prompts to finalize the payment information. Return to the main account settings page. Look for any available options to update your tax information. If necessary, fill in the required fields with your updated tax details. Review all the changes you've made to confirm everything is accurate. Finally, log out of your account to ensure your updates are secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.